Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the Mars transit, the red planet Mars transit, and I found it is absolutely the planetary position from the 26th March to 2nd of April are most enigmatic and crucial and explosive. And I've seen what parallel events have happened. We are talking about the 1987 rebellion, on the 10th May 1987, which took place, and Mars was in Taurus with Mercury at 18.45 degrees, which is the arc of Vishghati. Mercury was at Vishghati at 18 degrees, and Moon was in the 7th house in Scorpio, also in Vishghati, and the day was Sunday, and it was a Mritu Yoga. Now, absolutely parallel situations took place on 21st April 2019, for which I had already predicted in the Express Star Teller that the transit of Mars in Rohini at 19 degrees would be most venomous, since it is a arc of Vishghati. And we had seen a series of bombings on the Easter day on the 21st April 2019 in Sri Lanka. Now, absolutely parallel situations are there from 26th March to 2nd April, when the elections in the 5 states are also taking place. It is most venomous. It is most venomous for roids. It is most venomous for blasts. It is most venomous, especially why I am talking is Mars is the 7th and the 12th lord of the India Foundation chart. And 7th and 12th lord placed in the Lagna is with Rahu, forming a Angarak Yoga in the Lagna is clear-cut indication of espionage and conspiracy from foreign elements. So the country has to be very alert as far as this part is concerned, especially from the 26th March to 2nd of April, and wherever the elections are taking place. It is very bad for the natural and unnatural calamities, blasts, terrorism, riots, storms, earthquakes, political tug of war. What what more can I include in all this? This is not good. Most venomous time, especially from the 26th March. Until 26th March, all the planets are also gripped by Rahu and Ketu. And for this reason also, since Mars is a planet for cure, the coronavirus is also not leaving the mankind and troubling, and it is on surge. So till the time Mars aspects Ketu, and Mars will aspect Ketu even after shifting from Taurus, it will go to Gemini, and from Gemini it will be 6-8 axis with Ketu, but till the time it aspects Ketu, it is extremely bad till 14th of April 2021. And then Ketu in Jyeshtha Nakshatra. On the 2nd of April, Moon will be in Jyeshtha Nakshatra, the most malefic nakshatra, and all the global tragedies, the massive global tragedies which have taken place, they all take place in the nakshatra of Jyeshtha, and Moon and Ketu will be in Jyeshtha Nakshatra on the 2nd of April 2021. So wherever the elections are taking place, especially on the 27th March and 2nd April, are prone to riots, prone to malefic happenings, prone to, what should I say? It could be anything. There could be series of blasts, there could be earthquakes, there could be terrorism, there could be untoward happenings. So this is all I just wanted to share, that planetary positions when parallel to earlier happenings, they repeat. And especially Mars. Why Mars? Is because Mars is ammunition drum and it triggers all the events. It is the Lagna Lord and the 8th Lord of the natural zodiac, and it is in Ardhi sign. It is a Bhumi Tattvam, a planet of Bhumi Tattvam, and it is in Ardhi sign. It is not good. So on Earth, it can create havoc. So this is all it not only for India, it is complete for the complete globe. It is not good. It could also influence adversely the stock and the financial markets, because something big could happen. You know, I am not God, but you see, I am only. Why people are saying that I am making negative predictions? It's only because I am seeing those absolutely parallel. What best can you predict at this time? I have also predicted about the elections. So whatever is the result, I have to predict. I can't mend the results. So friends, this is all, and one has to be cautious. It is just like driving a car, and when the rough patch comes, if you know, then you will drive slowly. So you need to know when is the rough patch, and that is where the astrology guides us. So this is all I just wanted to share, friends. Thank you very much for listening to me, and have a good day. Bye bye.